This is the project for today, everyone. I gotta put in these 2 garage doors. There's one. And there's the second one. And it's gonna be quite interesting. I've got to get these rails on each side. And I've got to move this tractor out of here. Rails on this side. There's a rail. There's a rail. Okay. These are both 10-foot tall doors. No, pardon me. These are both 10-foot wide doors. This one is 7 feet. And then this one is 8 feet. So this is a 2-man job, but I'm going to set it up. And I'm doing this for my landlord. He's going to cut off some rent for me this month. What a guy. Anyway, so this is what I have to work with. I'm going to go grab a broom and I'm going to go sweep up. And then I will check back with you here in just a little bit.